Have you ever felt like your body is running out of time, like every day adds fatigue, weight gain, and low energy that you just can't shake off? What if I told you that after 50, you can actually reset your hormones, restore your energy, and slow down the aging process naturally, without expensive medications, risky surgeries, or extreme diets? Studies from leading longevity experts show that it's possible to reclaim vitality by understanding how your hormones work and how lifestyle choices directly influence them. Imagine waking up with clarity, strength, and confidence that feels years younger than your actual age. The changes you make today can completely reshape how your body feels tomorrow, and it all starts with understanding the subtle forces driving accelerated aging. After 50, life starts demanding more from your body than it ever did before. You notice fatigue hits faster, muscles don't respond the way they used to, and even a good night's sleep doesn't leave you refreshed. Hormones that once worked in perfect harmony begin to fluctuate unpredictably, affecting energy, mood, and metabolism. I've seen countless people struggle silently, thinking it's just getting older, when in reality, their bodies are signaling the need for precise adjustments. Think of it like a car with a high-performance engine. Without fine-tuned maintenance, it starts losing efficiency, even if it looks fine on the outside. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward regaining control, and it's easier than most imagine when you know where to focus your energy and habits. The reason these changes happen isn't random. As we age, levels of key hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone naturally decline, while stress hormones like cortisol rise, creating a perfect storm for accelerated aging. Poor sleep, chronic stress, and inflammation further disrupt this balance, leaving your metabolism sluggish and your body struggling to repair itself. Think of your body like a precision instrument. If one string is out of tune, the entire melody falters. The good news is that science shows these systems are highly responsive to targeted lifestyle changes. By understanding how your hormones communicate and respond, you can literally retune your body, restore energy, and put the brakes on the aging process, naturally and sustainably. Today, I'm going to share 5 natural habits that can reset your hormones and bring back energy, mental clarity, and vitality. These aren't gimmicks or quick fixes. They are practical, science-backed strategies that have a real impact on how your body feels and functions after 50. Some might seem surprisingly simple, but each one targets specific hormonal pathways to help your body repair, regenerate, and perform at a higher level. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to slow down aging, feel stronger, and reclaim the kind of vitality most people think is lost forever. Sleep is not just rest, it's the most powerful hormone reset your body has. After 50, deep restorative sleep, especially the REM and slow wave phases, declines, and with it, the natural release of growth hormone and testosterone. This isn't about getting more hours in bed, it's about improving quality and timing. Simple changes like keeping a consistent sleep schedule, reducing light exposure at night, and creating a cool, quiet environment can dramatically improve how your hormones regulate themselves. Even 1 week of optimized sleep can increase energy, mental clarity, and recovery from daily stress. Think of sleep as the foundation. Without it, no other habit will reach its full potential, making this the critical first step in your journey to slowing down aging. How and when you eat can reset your body in ways most people overlook. After 50, intermittent fasting or carefully timed eating windows help improve insulin sensitivity, trigger cellular repair, and support hormone balance. This isn't about starving yourself, it's about giving your body periods of rest from digestion so it can focus on repairing cells and reducing inflammation. Even a 12 to 16-hour fasting window daily can help regulate cortisol, support growth hormone release, and improve metabolism. Pairing this with nutrient-dense meals during eating periods ensures your body gets what it needs without spiking blood sugar or triggering unnecessary fat storage. Timing and food quality together can change the way your body ages at a cellular level. Exercise isn't just about looking good. It's one of the most effective ways to stimulate hormone production after 50. Resistance training, like lifting weights or bodyweight exercises, signals your body to release testosterone and growth hormone, supporting muscle mass, bone density, and metabolic health. Short, intense sessions a few times a week are more effective than long cardio sessions for hormonal balance. Focus on compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups and gradually increase intensity to challenge your body. Consistency matters more than perfection, and even modest improvements in strength translate to better energy, improved metabolism, and a natural boost in hormone levels that can dramatically slow the visible and internal effects of aging. What you eat directly communicates with your hormones. After 50, certain foods can either support or disrupt estrogen, cortisol, and testosterone levels. Focus on nutrient-dense, bioactive foods like cruciferous vegetables, fatty fish rich in omega-3s, berries, nuts, and seeds. These foods reduce inflammation, support liver detoxification of excess hormones, and provide antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Minimizing processed sugars and refined carbohydrates helps prevent insulin spikes that throw hormones off balance. Small but consistent adjustments in diet create a profound effect over time, improving energy, mental clarity, and the body's ability to maintain youthful metabolic and hormonal function naturally. Chronic stress is one of the fastest accelerators of aging after 50 because it drives cortisol levels high, disrupting insulin, testosterone, and estrogen balance. Managing stress isn't optional. It's essential for hormone health and longevity. Techniques like controlled breathing, mindfulness meditation, short periods of cold or heat exposure, or even structured relaxation breaks can recalibrate your nervous system and lower cortisol. These practices also improve sleep, boost recovery, and enhance mental clarity. When stress is managed consistently, your body can focus on regeneration instead of survival, allowing other habits like nutrition, exercise, and sleep to work more effectively in slowing down aging and restoring vitality. Imagine 6 months from now waking up with energy that feels natural, your mind sharp, and your body moving with ease. By consistently applying these 5 habits, your hormones begin to rebalance, inflammation drops, and your metabolism works with you instead of against you. Daily tasks feel lighter, workouts become more effective, and the fatigue that once dominated your afternoons starts to fade. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a transformation that compounds over time. Every healthy choice you make builds on the last, creating a feedback loop where energy, clarity, and resilience grow stronger, giving you control over how you age and the confidence to enjoy life fully. If you're ready to take control of your aging process and restore your hormones naturally, start now by committing to these 5 habits. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on practical, science-based strategies for longevity and vitality. Share this video with someone over 50 who needs a roadmap to reclaim energy and mental clarity. Leave a comment with the habit you're most excited to start so we can track progress together. Action is what turns knowledge into transformation, and the sooner you begin, the faster you'll experience the changes your body has been waiting for. Aging is inevitable, but accelerating it doesn't have to be. Every choice you make today can add years of energy, clarity, and vitality to your life. Start applying these habits now, and transform each year that passes into an opportunity to feel stronger, healthier, and more alive than ever before. Your body is capable of more than you realize, and the path to lasting rejuvenation begins with a single, intentional step.